do you ever occasionally get that sinking feeling? People often ask that, and really that's asking, do you suddenly find yourself worrying about something or feeling like something's not right? So for today's Push, Picking Up Steam at Home challenge, I wanted to ask you to think about that sinking, but this should be a little bit more upbeat. Okay, so I have an empty bottle. We don't use plastic water bottles at our house, but this is an old spice container that I filled with Post-it notes so that you can see. Now an empty bottle, be it a water bottle or an empty spice bottle, when we put it in water, it floats because there's air trapped inside that bottle, and that makes it less dense than the water that it's floating on. Okay, so your challenge today is, what can you do to an empty bottle that normally floats to make it sink? Ha ha ha, but wait, I know you're thinking, oh, I'll just open it and fill it with water. And that's true, that will make the bottle sink. Here, I'll show you. Now that it's filled with water, sure enough, it sinks in my pitcher. But that's no challenge. Your challenge is, what can you do to make an empty plastic bottle sink without filling it with water? All right? Okay, don't forget, I'd love to see what you discover or what you come up with. You can always email me or tweet me what you found or what you created.